Ever wondered why your furry friend's food dramatically changes from tiny kibble for puppies to a different blend for adults? The difference between puppy and adult dog food boils down to one crucial concept: fueling growth versus maintaining health. Puppies are miniature, high-energy engines, and their food is specifically designed to build that engine. Step 1. Calories. Puppies are growing at an astonishing rate. Think of them as construction sites, constantly needing building materials. Puppy food packs significantly more calories per serving than adult food. This extra energy is vital for rapid skeletal development, muscle growth, and organ maturation. Step 2. Protein and nutrients. Puppies require a higher protein content to build lean muscle mass and a stronger body. They also need specific ratios of essential vitamins and minerals like calcium and phosphorus, crucial for developing strong bones and teeth during their critical growth phase. Adult dogs, on the other hand, have completed their major growth. Their nutritional needs shift from building to maintenance and repair. Adult dog food is formulated with fewer calories to prevent weight gain and maintain a healthy body condition. Step 3. Balanced nutrition for adults. Adult dog food focuses on providing a consistent, balanced spectrum of nutrients to support everyday activity, immune function, and overall well-being. This typically includes moderate protein for muscle maintenance, adequate fiber for digestion, and essential fatty acids for a healthy coat and skin. Step 4. Digestive health. Puppy food is often made with smaller, easily digestible kibble to accommodate their developing digestive systems. Adult food can have slightly larger kibble and may contain higher fiber content, which is beneficial for adult digestive tracts. In essence, puppy food is concentrated fuel for building a healthy, strong dog from the ground up, while adult food is a steady stream of essential nutrients to keep that grown dog happy and healthy for years to come. Always consult your veterinarian to determine the best food and feeding schedule for your dog at every stage of life.